Welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in to another tutorial of mine. Today I will be working with Readywig's hair. These bundles are gorgeous, you guys. I have 3 bundles of the body wave hair and a 20 and 2 22s. Watch me create this look. It's going to be a deep side part sew-in with crimps. This is the foundation for my sew-in. As you guys can see, to make the process a little quicker, I have threaded about 6 to 8 needles. That's just to keep you guys on a steady flow, especially if you have a lot of clients waiting. As I begin sewing, I am doubling the tracks. I will be putting the whole 3 bundles in. So just keep in mind as you're threading to just leave space. You don't want it to be too bulky in the back. I've seen some sew-ins where they're put the tracks really close in the back, and that's why your client hair seems to buckle up and get so nappy, because you guys are packing so much hair in the back of their neck. So just a quick tip, just as you're sewing the double threaded tracks, just go a ½ inch up, and then as closer you get to the top, you can make it as close as possible.
Say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah.
A quick sew-in tip: there's different ways you can sew hair in depending on how you want it to lay. If you want it to lay straight in their face for a deep side part, or if you just want it to lay to the side so that it will be out their face. And with this method, we're actually going to sew just straight across. We're not going to U the tracks. So just keep in mind when you're sewing in, there are different methods on how you can sew according to the style.
Tell you something. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love. So what's a girl to do? She needs love, and girls need love too.
I have completed sewing in all of these 3 bundles of Readywig's deep body hair, 20 which is at the top, and the 222 which is at the bottom. Now we're just going to press the top out. We're going to blend it in with the weave, and we're going to proceed on with the style. So y'all know I'm the fan of the pressing comb. So we want to go ahead and press those edges, press that leave out. And now we're going to proceed on sectioning the hair. When I actually curl, when I'm pressing, when I'm flat ironing, I'll section my hair. So we're going to proceed on to do the crimps. Now I have the professional stove iron Marcel crimps. I recommend that if you guys are not familiar with the Marcel curling irons or any of the crimps or their curlers, I truly recommend that you guys practice before using, because you can burn the weave or the client's hair. So just want to keep that in mind. They do have some electric crimps that you guys can purchase. I'm not for sure where, but I'm pretty sure you can either order online or they have it at the beauty supply. These particular Marcels I did purchase at the beauty supply. They do come in different sizes. These are a little bit smaller than the ones that you probably have seen, which are the plug-in ones. So just stay tuned on the finished look. These crimps ain't no joke. My arm is hurting. Okay, I'm sorry, you guys. It actually took me, I would say, 45 minutes, almost an hour to do this whole head of crimps. I did style her baby hair off camera. I'm sorry about that, you guys. Now what I want to point out is that I'm going back over the top portion of her hair with the crimps, because I wanted to blend in her natural hair. Since she does have leave out, I went back over and crimped the top portion of her hair so that it can blend in with the weave. I want to thank you guys for tuning in to this tutorial. I hope you guys learned something, if not nothing. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, leave a smiley face, a little kissy face. Thank you guys. If you guys would like to purchase this product, log on to the website. Link is in the description box. This hair product is bomb. Make sure you guys go purchase it now.